Today I'm going to make fried rice with eggs. First, we're going to turn on medium heat. Then let it heat for about some seconds. Then we pour a bit of oil in it. Then just stir it until the oil is full in the pan. Then when the oil is hot, put chopped garlic in it. Stir until the garlic is browned, like this. Then we put cooked rice in it. Stir it up. Wait till the egg is cooked. We cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Another one. We mix it up. Then we put the eggs into the pan. Then we stir it. Until it's cooked. Got the garlic back. We put a teaspoon of pepper in it. Then we stir it. Then we put also a teaspoon of seasoning. And then mix it. Then we put a little bit of soy sauce in it to make it salty. Mix it up. When it's cooked, we will pour it into a bowl like this one. Turn up the heat. Pour it out of the pan into the bowl. Oh, damn it. To decorate, I will cut cucumbers to just there. And I'm done with my fried rice. Looks delicious.